Hello and welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz dated 23rd February 2021. Let's get started with the first question. Which municipal corporation signed agreement with UNDP IPCA to make the state or the union territory plastic free? So recently, Jammu Municipal Corporation has signed two agreements with United Nations Development Program, Indian Pollution Control Association, a non-governmental organization based in New Delhi. Okay. Under this initiative, Jammu Municipal Corporation and IPCA both will collect garbage at doorsteps, and this garbage will be sent to recycling plants. The technical support will be given by United Nations Development Program. See, United Nations Development Program was established on 22nd November 1965, headquartered at New York City, United States of America. Achim Steiner is the chief of United Nations Development Program. So here question is, which municipal corporation signed agreement with UNDP and IPCA to make the state or the union territory, here Jammu and Kashmir, plastic free? So answer is option 3 is the correct answer. Next question. The second edition of Khelo India University Games. This is University Games will be held in which state? See, Khelo India University Games initiated by Sports Authority of India in association with Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Okay. The first edition was held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, at the Kalinga University. So this is the second edition. The second edition will be held in the state of Karnataka. See, these will be held in the state of Karnataka at the Jain University. See, these games were initiated in order to identify and train the athletes for the Olympics and Asian Games. So Sports Authority of India and Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, these organize Khelo India University Games. So second edition of Khelo India University Games will be held in which state is the question. So answer 2 is the correct answer, that is Karnataka. Next question. India's first RRB was established in which state? See, here RRB stands for Regional Rural Bank. See, the first RRB in India was established on 2nd October in the year 1975. This was established on 2nd October 1975 in Moradabad district of Uttar Pradesh. The first RRB was Prathama Gramina Bank. Prathama Gramina Bank was the first regional rural bank in India. So it was established in Moradabad district of Uttar Pradesh. See, the shareholding of an RRB is, out of the total capital, 50% is contributed by central government and 15% is contributed by state government. Okay. So the administrative control will be given to a scheduled commercial bank, which is generally public sector bank. This is called sponsored bank. Sponsored bank also contributes 35% capital. So the shareholding is very important. 50% central government, 15% state government, 35% sponsored bank. Okay. So here India's first RRB was established in which state? So option E is the correct answer, that is Uttar Pradesh. See, RRBs were established on the recommendations of Narasimhan Committee. So Narasimhan Committee, this is also very important point. Next question. Which bank has appointed Rappar Virus to drive its public awareness campaign on cyber frauds? See, recently, Reserve Bank of India has appointed the Punjabi singer rapper Virus to create an awareness on cyber frauds under its public awareness campaign. Okay, so Punjabi singer. So here question is which bank? So option A is the correct answer, that is Reserve Bank of India. Next question, what is current SLR? See, out of the total deposits, banks have to keep certain amount of money with themselves before giving the loan. Okay, before giving the loan. So this amount is not eligible for loan. This amount is not eligible for loan. So out of the total deposits, banks have to keep certain amount of money with themselves. So this is called statutory liquidity ratio, that is SLR. Statutory liquidity ratio. See, statutory liquidity ratio generally put in liquid assets. Okay, generally maintained in liquid assets. Liquid assets are the assets which can be converted into cash very easily. See, for example, gold, government securities. Okay, see, the present SLR rate is 18%, that is option C is the correct answer. Next question, State Bank of India Day is observed on. See, earlier there were Bank of Bengal, Bank of Bombay and Bank of Madras. These banks were called presidency banks. These banks were called presidency banks. These were 1840s banks. 1840s banks. In the year 1921, these three banks were merged and established as a single bank in January 1921. This bank was called Imperial Bank of India. Imperial Bank of India. See, on 1st July 1955, this bank was taken up by Government of India and renamed as State Bank of India. So every year July 1st is observed as State Bank of India Day. So that is option B is the correct answer.